Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to create and switch to an Instagram business account. Whether you're looking to boost your brand or gain more insights, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Now tap on Switch to Professional Account and tap Next. Then select your business category from the suggested options and tap on Switch to Professional Account again. Choose the account type and move to the next step. Enter your details like phone number and address. If you want to display this info, turn on the option. Tap Next again. If you want to connect your Facebook account, log in and complete all the 7 to 8 setup steps. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a professional business account on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Danvar Tech for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.